Space is full of misconceptions that can be downright fascinating. For starters, many believe that you can't hear anything in space because it's a vacuum. While it's true that sound waves need a medium to travel, that doesn't mean space is completely silent. There are electromagnetic waves that can be converted into sound, so if you could listen in, you'd hear some eerie cosmic symphonies. Another common myth is that the Great Wall of China is visible from space. In reality, it's often hard to see even from low Earth orbit without aid. Astronauts have confirmed that it blends in with the natural landscape, making it just another part of the Earth's surface. Then there's the idea that we only see one side of the moon. While it's true that the same side always faces us, that's due to synchronous rotation. The moon actually rotates on its axis, but it takes the same time to orbit Earth, creating this illusion. People often think that planets are all solid. In fact, gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn are mostly made of gas, with no solid surface at all. If you tried to land on them, you'd just sink into their thick atmospheres. And let's not forget about black holes. They're not cosmic vacuum cleaners that suck everything in. You'd have to get really close to one to be pulled in. Otherwise, they're just like any other massive object in space. Another myth is that the universe is static. In reality, it's constantly expanding, and galaxies are moving away from each other. This expansion is a key piece of evidence for the Big Bang theory. Some believe that humans can't survive in space without a spacesuit. While it's true that exposure to the vacuum of space is deadly, there's a brief window where you could survive for a few seconds without a suit, although it would be incredibly painful. Many think that all stars twinkle. In fact, stars appear to twinkle because of the Earth's atmosphere. In space, they shine steadily, but our atmosphere distorts their light. And here's a fun one: the idea that Mars is red because it's covered in rust. While iron oxide gives it that reddish hue, the surface is actually a mix of volcanic rock and dust, not just rust. Lastly, there's the myth that we've explored most of space. The truth is, we've only scratched the surface of our own solar system, let alone the vast universe beyond. There's so much left to discover, and that's what makes space so endlessly intriguing.